Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tsahi here, and welcome if you're joining me here for the very first time. I'm so happy that you've joined my little YouTube family. Today we're going to Pennywise haul. I wouldn't want to call it a haul, it's really just items I needed. I did good. I did a list, I stuck by my list, and I didn't pick up anything extra. Alright, so this is what we're going to do today. Also, I'm featuring one of my little units here. This is the Bobbi Boss Chrissy. Bobbi Boss Chrissy. How do you like Chrissy? I think she's cute, she's sassy. Alright guys, so I decided to do this 3 o'clock during the day. It's super hot, but I have my beverage. So first up, have to have baby. She's only 2, not potty trained yet, and I've finally upgraded her to 6. She was using 5 all the time, so definitely have to get essentials. So I use the very long ones. It is what it is, and then we have the shorter ones for coming down to the end. So what can you say about Olay soap? It's not very expensive, smells nice, feels good. Cannot deny 2 for the price of 1. It's not 2 for the price of 1. What am I saying? But I like the specials. They get me every time with specials. Always Pennywise gets me with specials. So this Loofah, 3 in this pack. 1 is missing because my daughter already took 1, the bigger one. Yeah, it says it's aloe and vitamin E infused, and it smells quite nice, quite lovely smell. So I don't know if you want to pick it up and try it. I haven't tried it yet because I wanted to at least keep 2 in the pack because I was coming to do this video. This Black Chic, I don't know if you've seen it. This Black Chic deep conditioning treatment with avocado oil. So it says low pH. I don't know what that means. Someone probably could tell me. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Regular conditioner. Before, I was kind of lazy for the last month, so I used to not bother to condition. I would just wash, do whatever treatment, wash and deep condition. But I find that my hair, it needs the little conditioning as well. So I'm not gonna skip that step again. Specials. Every time I see value pack or they have 2 items wrapped up together, I always tend to pick this up. Pennywise know what they're doing, you know. Ladies, comment below. Agree with me. Pennywise know what they're doing. It's hot. Oh guys, if you want to know a little bit more about this unit, I could either do another video, or actually I'm not gonna bother to do that. I bought it right here in a beauty supply store, sells wigs and stuff. It was less than $400. It's a synthetic unit. Ladies, do not sleep on synthetic units. All right, I had to cut and manipulate this, and look at these curls. It stayed, it came right back, it bounced back, and it always will. If it was a human hair unit, I would have never been able to do this. All right, I would have had to go and pay money to get it customized. Definitely, there's my preferred brand, Secret, and definitely prefer the gels, because I find the other ones tend to leave that white business on there. I don't really like that. Plus it lasts better with sweat and stuff, and I do Zumba and I sweat a lot, so these work better for me. It is what it is. Have to have the baby oil. I like cream, but I also like to mix it up a bit, especially in the night. Baby oil, the fun stuff. I just needed to get some gel. I realized everybody buying in soft and silky gel. If I only knew that, I would have picked up a soft and silky, but whatever. It works for me, I'll buy it. Pick up 3 of these. Twist out coming up soon. The last time I did a flexi rod twist out, it wasn't anything to speak about, but I've watched a few videos of how to do it properly, but I think with the right products, I think I'll have a successful result. So I'll do that next. We know this is necessary. Alright. I picked up this simple, it's smoothing facial scrub. I think it's recommended, and I've recently started washing, toning, moisturizing, but I was leaving out a little exfoliation, and I think once a week, once every 2 weeks, depending on what your skin needs, it's good to add it. And I love the Simple brand. It's simple, man. I mean, I like how it smells. It's not very strong. There's no perfume scent. I can't speak much of the ingredients, but it works for my skin. So let me know what you use, and maybe I could try it out. Got to have your hand wash. Just buy these big bottles and it lasts for the whole month, sometimes more. So instead of buying them tiny bottles all the time, just keep the tiny bottles and refill. Come on now, gotta save your coins. Even with the necessities, you gotta have a little fun. So I just decided to pass by Sacha and pick up just a few things, nothing much. I needed to get back one of these liquid liners. Yeah, this is the Sacha liquid eyeliner in, you know, I asked for black and she gave me midnight. That's okay, I'll make it work. It is black. Okay. I prefer the very liquid eyeliner as opposed to the pens and the markers and the pencils and whatever. I like the liquid ink. It goes on black and the line is precise, and I just prefer it. My concealer. This is the Elite Girl Pro Concealer, and I use Fawn. I use it for my under eye and, well, sometimes to conceal and stuff, although I have other stuff I use for concealer. What else do I have? I decided to get 2 lip glosses because since the COVID-19 pandemic came upon us, I haven't bought any lip gloss because you can't really, it's not fun to use it with a mask, to be honest. But I was like, you know what? I want some lip gloss. All right. I didn't go wild. This is the lip gloss in Bestie, and the other one is, geez, I need glasses, I think. I'm a yes girl. Hey. So these are what I have, right? And just a simple Jordana Retractable Lip Liner. And that's really just it, you know. Nothing out of the way, nothing fancy. This might be the most boring Pennywise haul I ever watched, but hey, it is what it is. Hey, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll definitely have more stuff for the next one. And it was a pleasure. Thank you for coming. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, notification bell is right next to the subscribe button, so press it. Thank you guys. Bye.